Okay folks, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I pack for 16 to 30 days of travel in a backpack. I'll show you how to do it in a rollerboard as well. This is going to be a hodgepodge of videos. Right now I'm in Cascais. I don't know if I said that right. Cascais, Portugal. I'm getting ready to leave, so I packed up my bag. You'll see how I do that and how I pack it when I'm going. Okay, so here we have about 16 days worth of clothing. So let me go through that with you. So here I just have a small dress, and I like dresses when you travel because you don't have to worry about tops and bottoms. This is a dress with pockets. This is like a body shirt and a skirt, a long skirt with pockets. I try to go with long stuff, so depending on what country you're in, you won't offend anybody. So these are like my favorite. These are long maxi dresses, which I'll show you. I have these in like every single color, and I love because these have pockets too. Oh my god. So this dress is so comfortable. This is 4 days worth of clothes right here. Like, that's what I do. Here we have some camo leggings with a t-shirt. This can also be something that I sleep in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional t-shirts there. I have a couple pairs of shorts. These are some shorts here. Also some jeans and some pants. I usually wear jeans going to the airplane because they are heavier. So never do I work out when I go out the country. So for some reason I pack this. It's always a waste. These are 2 swimsuits that I'm packing. And this is actually a robe that I may pack if I'm not staying at a resort and they already have them. And it's very lightweight. It's cotton. It has a hood and some pockets. This is just a cover up for my swimsuit. And this is another little dress. And I'm going to put all these in packing cubes, which I'll show you in a bit. So these are the packing cubes, and you don't need all of these. What I like to do is for longer trips, I take this big one, which we're going to pack this one first. And I could typically, when I went to South Africa, I was able to fit all 14 days in this. So we're going to try that again. This one, I found that I can do about 3 to 4 days worth of clothes in this packing cube. And I don't think I've used this one yet, so we'll see that. Here's another packing cube. This is a shoe bag, which I haven't used yet. And this one I like to use for a laundry bag to put my dirty clothes in that. I have this one and another one. So let's get to packing. Okay, so maxi dresses tend to be kind of heavy, and so usually I roll all of my clothes. But because maxi dresses are so long, I just fold these. Everything else I'll roll so that it could fit in here. So the dress I'll fold, and the skirt I'll fold, and everything else I'll just roll that so that it could fit into this packing cube. Okay, so now we're just going to zip this on up. Okay, now I'm going to show you, regardless if you're taking a rollerboard or if you're doing a backpack, how you can pack for 16 to 30 days in either one. Both of these are carry-on size. Both may be a little bit too large for the international travel, the small low-cost carrier, but for US travel, both of these bags definitely fit as a carry-on. I have the packing cube in here that has all my clothes in, and some people like, if you're going to multiple countries or multiple cities, sometimes people like to take multiple packing cubes and put their clothes per location. I just shove it all in one packing cube. I'm not sure how effective it is or not. Many of you know I do pack food, so this is my Hot Logic, and I talked about it in another video, so that's how I warm my food. These are my cords and stuff for all of my electronics. I put it in this carry-on because I have a power bank that I usually use in my smaller carry-on, so I put that in there. You have this whole room here to put more stuff. So I've got my Hot Logic there. Sometimes I'll pack some food there. My swimsuits and cover-ups and robes I just stuck here. This is my portable blender. I talked about that in another video. This is my toiletry bag. It is massive. I don't need to take that much stuff. This is from Eagle Creek, and I actually love it, but it is I just don't need it that big. I don't know why I have such a big toiletry bag. I haven't gotten a smaller one yet. I'm working on that. Once I do, I'll switch these two out and stop using this bigger one. So that's it, and I can close that, and that's how I would do it on a rollerboard. Okay, so now we have this in the travel backpack. So this is the Osprey Fairview, I think it is. And this is the 55 liter. So I put my swimsuits, look at my toes, my swimsuits and robes and beach cover up on this side. I also have a cover for lounge chairs. And then the same packing cube with all 14 of the, or 16 days worth of clothes is in the back. Then I have my electronics. This is my Hot Logic to heat food. And I still have all this space here, which you guys know when I'm traveling by myself, I like to pack food, cereal, tuna fish in the pouches, a whole bunch of stuff. So I have a video on food if you're interested in seeing what I pack for international travel. And of course my toiletry bag, which is just obsessively large. I can also just stick that here too and just snap that. I'm using one hand so I can't snap it right now. But so this is with the backpack. Okay, so I want to show you how I repack my bag. I'm getting ready to leave Cascais, Portugal, and I'm repacking my bag, which is a little bit different than how I pack my bag when I'm going out the country, because now I have like dirty clothes. I ate some of my food, and yeah, so let's just get into it. Again, this is the Osprey 55 liter Fairpoint, one of those, the one for girls. Really love this bag, and this was probably the best decision I made in regards to finding a travel bag. All right, let's get started. So I still have underclothes and stuff here. These are plastic. You smush all your stuff in. Hold on. These are this. So this smashes all your stuff together. And these are my dirty clothes, so I just smash them together. I always just throw in a couple, because if you buy souvenirs or something and you need your clothes to be flatter so you can fit more stuff in the bag, these are great. You can get these anywhere. I actually do sell these on the String and Strap website. They're really cheap bags, push the air out. This little piece right here seems irrelevant. You just really just push the air out. I'll show you another time. But yeah. So this is the travel bag you know I use all the time. I was packed for 16 days worth of clothes, and I did laundry, but developed some more dirty clothes. These are clean clothes. I could stick them in here and flatten it out more. I'm just lazy and I don't feel like it. So we're gonna stick this in here. Straps out. Dirty clothes like so. Oh, I meant to stick that in there, damn it. Oh, easy enough. Okay, so got that going. This is a light that I bring with me sometimes so that if it's dark where I'm filming, I can still film. This is with all my cords. Slide that over to the side. Okay, this is my shoe bag. I usually have 3 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of flats, flip-flops, and tennis shoes, which I typically wear when I'm traveling. Okay, let's stick these in here. Close this. Those are my shoes. Again, I wear my tennis shoes. This is a GoPro stick, which is really cool because it bends and you can get really cool angles. My straps on. I know, it's a lot, right? Stick her right there. I like to put clothes on this side because it ends up being soft for the stuff that's in here. Don't talk about me. what's on the day bag usually doesn't fit when the day bag is full. So I usually take the water bottle, stick it through here, and there we have it. And there it is. Here are my straps. Wait, let's see. I don't know if you can see me. Is that better? Okay, here are my straps. And so I can move. And you saw all the stuff I put in this bag. Okay, let me show you how I pack this bag. Okay, so this is a GoPro case, which I'm filming on right now. And this is usually all the camera equipment I take with me when I travel, because I like to be compact. So this is my 360 camera. If you ever see me doing 360 stuff, this is the camera. This is a backpack thing, so when you see me do point of view stuff, I usually put this on my backpack strap, and I can have my GoPro so people can experience things the way that I do. Again, I apologize for that bumping. I think they're doing construction. So here's a charger. This one's a European charger. GoPro, like I said, I'm filming on that, so I'm just gonna pretend that it's in here, but usually it's in here. And this takes up a good amount of space, but I feel it's protectant for my camera, so I get over it. When I'm at the destination, I take it out of my day pack unless I'm using my camera for the day. So this goes here. This is like a mini tripod. The tripod I really like is actually what I'm filming on. It's a Manfrotto. But I don't know if you care about that, so usually stick all this stuff in. A passport goes here. Always have an eye mask. Eye masks are important because you never know when you gotta catch a quick nap, whether it be on a train, not the metro, don't go sleeping on the metro. This is, my iPad would typically be on here, but I'm using it for filming. This is just a portable keyboard that I use for my iPad to make it easier for me to work. Stick that in there. These are headphones. This is a portable bag. So if you do groceries and pick up groceries, you can use this. If you get souvenirs, you can grab this and then go ahead and check your big bag. So I always throw that in there. It's my US phone. This is so I can put my cell phone on here. Basically, the cameras I use, in case anyone cares, GoPro, 360, and my phone. That's as serious as it gets for me. This is the pen for my iPad. This is a clicker. And that's it. And that's what I put in my day bag when I'm traveling. When I get to the destination, this changes up a bit. And if I remember to film that, I'll do that. But this is how I go to the destination. I carry all my electronics on my body in case I have to get my bag checked. So I hope that was helpful. You were able to see how I pack my bag when I'm going on a trip and when I'm leaving in the middle of it. Right now I'm in Cascais, Portugal, getting ready to head back to Lisbon. And I think that's it. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for joining me.